welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about Lehmann's poison dart frog. This is Lehmann's poison dart frog. It is a type of poison frog that is only found in two very small areas in the rainforests of Colombia. I couldn't find the exact population numbers, however it is listed as critically endangered due to the fact that it's found in a very small geographic area and it's becoming quite rare to see within that area that it's endemic to. Like all poison dart frogs, they are quite toxic and their toxins do come from their diet in the environment, so captive bred ones are not toxic. Also, apparently the young tend to be cannibalistic sometimes, so that's great. Now, there are quite a few threats to these frogs, unfortunately, mainly being habitat loss due to logging and deforestation. There's also habitat loss due to the exotic plant trade because they heavily rely on bromelade plants for reproduction, and bromeliads are quite often harvested from the wild to grow in captivity, in gardens, in collectors, all of that. And like many exotic animals, these frogs are also threatened directly by the pet trade. They are captured in the wild and then sold to, again, collectors, to hobbyists, all of that. Now, there is one poison frog breeder that does specialize specifically in endangered poison dart frogs. All of their frogs are captively bred, so it does help to reduce the amount of these poison frogs that are being caught in the wild. And poison frogs are pretty popular in general as pets, but if you do get a poison dart frog as a pet, make sure it is from a reputable source and not wild caught, because that is very, very bad for the wild population. Additionally, one of the localities that these frogs are found in does occur in a national park, so they are at least somewhat protected. However, there is a lot more action that's going to be needed to make sure that these frogs stay protected and their population can increase in the wild.